In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your account in Roblox. So go into Roblox or any preferred browser you have. I'm in Microsoft Edge, and then go into roblox.com. And then make sure you are signed out of any account you're currently in, so you can see the sign up page, and then click on login at the top right. So what you're going to do in here is you want to log in into your deactivated account. So this is mine. And once you have all that, just click login. And then once you log in, you'll see this message saying account deactivated. So just click on this reactivate button at the middle, and this will reactivate your account. So if it says something went wrong, just reload the page and everything should be good. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.